Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. NGENUITY only supports specific HyperX models and some Windows builds. Plug the headset into a direct USB port on the PC. Avoid hubs because they can hide device ID. Once connected, close any RGB or audio utilities that might claim the device, and then run NGENUITY as administrator so it can access drivers and firmware. If prompted to update firmware or drivers, allow the install immediately. That action often reveals the headset to the software. If NGENUITY still ignores the headset, open Device Manager and inspect for unknown devices or multiple HID audio entries. You want a single, correct HyperX entry. Uninstall any HyperX driver or device entries, reboot, and then install the latest NGENUITY so it can provision drivers cleanly. Also disable USB Selective Suspend and set USB root hubs to maximum power in Device Manager. This prevents Windows from cutting power to the headset. Make sure finish by verifying functionality. Test the headset on a second PC to isolate whether the issue is the device or your system. If it still fails, reset the headset per model instructions or swap the USB cable and port to rule out physical faults. Once NGENUITY detects the device, lock settings and check profiles. If detection never occurs, gather Device Manager screenshots, NGENUITY logs, and describe steps taken. Then contact HyperX support so they can escalate with diagnostic data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.